Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your domain is registered with Namecheap and you want to connect it to your Lovable website, this guide shows you the exact clean setup that works in 2026. Most issues happen because of DNS typos, leftover records, SSL timing, or publishing in the wrong order. We will avoid all of that. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to connect Lovable to Namecheap in 2026 like a pro. So there are some common Namecheap connection issues like domain shows not connected in Lovable, site works on Lovable subdomain but not on costume domain, SSL stuck on pending, 3W works but root domain doesn't, or vice versa. Old website still appears or blank page after publishing. So add your domain inside Lovable first, okay? So before touching on Namecheap, you must add the domain in Lovable. So go to projects, okay? Domain, click add costume domain, enter your domain like www or yourbrand.com, save. Lovable will now show the exact DNS records you must add in Namecheap. Keep this page open, okay? So choose your primary domain version, okay? Pick one. The other version will be redirected later, okay? So open Namecheap DNS management, log into Namecheap, go to the domain list, click manage next to your domain, open the advanced DNS tab. You are now on the DNS records page. So remove conflicting DNS records. So this step fixes most failures. So delete old records pointing to other IPs. Remove extra CNAME records, okay? Remove parked forwarding records if present, okay? So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.